Okay, I've had some guys ask me for a video of this thing with the enclosure off of it. Looks like somebody was doing some work to this thing at one time. Nothing's connected from the plugs to the fuses or the receptacles or whatever you call them. Looks like they were getting ready to do something. I don't know, maybe they've been replaced the leads or something, cables. Oh, receptacles down there. I'm hoping just to use one. But anyway, it's getting ready to start cleaning it up and service it for initial starting. Once I get it started, I'll see if start it again and see if we can get the generator to work. Is starting ether tubing. Or the pony motor. There's a bee hole for bees and birds. With this shroud on it, this would have been the flow would have been pulled off of the engine. The airflow, the heat would have been pulled off the engine and the generator out the front of the radiator. I don't know what this thing is here. Some kind of thermostatic thing. There's a wasp nest. Old one. 2 broken gauges. Hoping to fix. Here's the serial number. Here's a fine control throttle. Here's ether to the diesel. This side is ether to the pony. Here's tubing going to this cylinder. Here's my close quarters starting pulley for being able to start it from the back, toward the back I guess, rather than immediately from the side. I don't understand that either. Here's a custom made fuel tank for it. Mounting bracket on the exciter and a mounting bracket on the air cleaner assembly. I haven't even looked in that thing yet. Oh, what's that? Oh. It looks like a second year bird nest. They must have got out of there because I ain't found no skeletons. I don't understand why they went in there. Exciter, 2 belts for the exciter, driven off the main. Something about the rheostat with generator doing something, I think. I don't know what it says. I don't know what this thing is either. I haven't seen this on my other gen sets. I ain't paying much, so I ain't seen much. Their doors got some broken hinges, one on each side. I'm gonna be repairing those, but ain't no big deal. Got my axles tacked under there. C-clamp's still in there. I don't know exactly what my tongue weight will be yet. So I just tacked the axles. Radiator holds fluid. This is the unbelievable part. $625 hours. 2 zeros in front of it. All of the engine, the radiator, and the generator, this was all from Caterpillar on its mounts. It was yellow when it went to Canada. And Canada put it on the skid and finished it with the control panel and enclosed it. Project. Tried to get it running this summer yet. Got a lot of projects. Well, you know what happens if you run out of projects. We don't want to talk about that part. Donaldson air cleaner. Typical Caterpillar. I got all the cover for this. I just took it apart just to see what's in it. I guess that's where you configure all the wirings and make connections. Okay, thanks for watching my video.